Right now, mechanical toy videos are going viral, and creators are earning thousands of dollars just by posting this type of content. Take a look at this page. It gained 369,000 followers just by uploading similar videos. Some of their videos reached 23 million, 32 million, and even 22 million views. The surprising part is these videos are made using completely free AI tools, and it takes less than 3 minutes to create them. Now watch this. I just created a video using the exact same method. I'm going to show you the full step-by-step process right now, so you can start making and posting these videos today. Make sure you subscribe because I share tutorials like this regularly, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type Mechanical Toy Generator and click on the first result that shows up. Open that GPT and then click Start the Generator. Within a few seconds, it will give you 10 different mechanical toy ideas to choose from, 10 ready-to-use viral concepts right in front of you. Now, just choose any number you like. I'm going with number 9. Once you enter your number, ChatGPT will give you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt across 6 different models for that idea. Go through the options and pick the one that looks the most interesting to you. I'm choosing the road roller because it looks very satisfying, and that's exactly the kind of content that makes people stop scrolling. Now, copy image prompt 1 and go to Google Flow. From the menu, select the image option, and make sure all your desired settings are turned on before you generate. Paste the image prompt and press enter. Within a few seconds, Google Flow will create a clean, well-structured, and detailed image for your first scene. Now, this is the step that makes your video look clean, professional, and consistent. Pick the image you like the most from the results. Click the 3 dots on it and choose Add to Prompt. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy image prompt 2, and paste it here. Now, Google Flow will create your second image using the first image as a reference, same style, same structure, and the same overall feel. This is what makes both scenes look like they belong in one video. Your second image will be ready in just a few seconds. Now, let's turn these images into a video. Go to the same panel in Google Flow and choose the video option, then select your preferred video settings. Next, set the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it here. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, Google Flow will create your full mechanical toy video. Smooth motion, ultra-realistic, and ready to post. Watch how clean and satisfying the final result looks. Now take a look at another video I made using the exact same method. These kinds of videos are getting millions of views and bringing in thousands of followers. All created in under 3 minutes using free AI tools. The full process is right in front of you. All you need to do is start. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment if this helped you.